Hey there, minions of technology. My name is Tim Lee. Welcome back to Legacy Studio, continuing this Rover Mechanic Simulator. Such a cool game so far. I really have been enjoying it. Even has kind of like some puzzle kind of feeling to solve, kind of like some of the puzzle games that we've been playing from Cyan that I'm known for on this channel. By the way, a humongous thank you to our legacy historian. That would be Tada. If you want to become a legacy historian and get your name shout out here on the channel, then hit the join button and just join the legacy channel, the legacy historian tier. Don't forget, you could be a Dorka historian. You can also be a early access historian. You get early access to all of my videos as soon as they release. Let's get right back into the game here. My camera froze up about 20 seconds ago when I reset this because I ran out of memory in the memory card, and I had just figured out that this yellow here meant that it has this much power going through. We now have actual voltage, but it's in the negatives, so we got to get it into the positives here in a second. First things first, we have to figure out how to get this voltage down. So far, so good. And then we got to pump as much voltage into this thing as possible to get this to 8 volts. And right now we're at -3. So I'm still trying to figure out why we're struggling with this. Oh, because right now we have to select something, I guess. There we go. All right. What do we got now? What do we got? We got 9 volts. So if I just change this here to 2... and change this one to 4. That's 6 volts. So I need 4. I'm out of 4s. So 5. That's 9 volts. So where do I... Oh, why don't I just remove one like this? Ha 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 ha! Cool. So we've all been completely configured. We can press escape to continue. Using the wrong keyboard here. Okay, cool. So we were able to configure the rover. Finishing orders. Congratulations, you finished your first order. Now, the only thing you have to do is to go to your tablet and select the finish order button. Then the job is done. We don't recommend finishing orders without repairing the rover, and for your own sake, this option is blocked in the tutorial missions. All right, very cool. So let's go and complete it. So there's what we just finished. I'm so proud. I put on that tire, and it's kind of cool because you got to remove screws and everything. So it's very fun. Very how do I put this? It's very soothing. It's very soothing. What am I doing? Oh no. I need to go in my tablet. That's F. And then here we need to complete order. There we go. We're going to accept by scanning my fingerprint. Here you can see a summary of the quest you have completed. The task box, you see how many experience points you have gained from each part of the task. That is a bonus experience. If you complete each step correctly, you will additionally get experience points and resources, which you have seen in order description before. In the damaged parts box, you can see parts which were damaged. You always have to repair all of them to get rewards. If you do something wrong, the box displays what you've missed. Okay, cool. So, very good. Is this another task? I'm going to hit continue here and see what happens. Oh, okay, cool. So, Sojourner here again. The wheel you replaced the last time works just fine, but the Sojourner seems to have more problems than we previously assumed. Before you solved the wheel issue, the bearing must have sustained damage, which caused it to deteriorate much quicker. Since you already have the experience with the Sojourner, could you please take a look at it as once again? This time it's paid extra. Oh, fun, paid extra. So we got to change the bearing and the bearing cover. Okay, cool. Choose what type of service you'd like to provide. Oh, standard for sure, for now. Okay. It's time for the test. During that order, you have used everything you have just learned to repair the rover on your own. Don't worry, if something goes wrong, you can always restart your orders process. All you have to do is click on the Restart Order button. This operation resets your game to the state of the beginning of the order. Sometimes it might occur necessary to start with a clean slate. Be careful, nonetheless, this operation cannot be undone. Okay. Here we go. This is it, my friends. We're going to try and do this one all on our own. Salvaging resources. If you got some parts you no longer need, you can destroy them in the crusher. We have just unlocked if for you. Unlocked it. Hey, this game has a typo. Fix it. Let's see. When you are destroying parts via the crusher, you will get some resources in return. The less a part is damaged, the more resources you will get. Okay, so let me see if there's anything to crush here really quick. So let's go here. We're going to crush the wheel. Salvage. All right, cool. So there we go. I'm going to keep the med kit because I don't know why I would need a med kit, but we're going to keep the med kit. All right, so we're going to start here with the MCU. In the MCU, we'll log ourselves in. We're going to go to the crane, and we're looking for the part. Oh, there's no information on how to use this crane anymore, so now we're on our own. Wow, okay. Let's see. Oh. Okay, right there. Okay, good. That glitchy signal is very interesting. Oh, sorry. What? Do I have to drop it lower? Let's see. I already forgot how to go up and down. Oh, okay. Left shift. There we go. Okay, cool. Let's get out of here. Since we know it's going to do just fine on its own. I love that they actually have like the Martian version of Linux on here. I think that's cute. Okay, so it was this tire that we had a problem with. Let's analyze this and take a closer look at this. So we're going to hold to analyze. That's the cover plate. That's the wheel plug. The wheel should be brand spanking new because I just replaced it. So I think we're going to have to disassemble it and look inside deeper. And if that's the case, then this game is really cool. Let's see if that's actually how this is going to play out. So we're going to go ahead and take off the wheel plug. So we're going to zoom in here nice and close. And we're going to take out these 4 screws. Okay. And now we're going to remove that plate. Okay. Let's start removing the outer wheel here. Okay. All right. I'm enjoying this, but at the same time, it feels a little slow. I feel like maybe there would be a faster way to go about doing this in some of the menu items here. I'm not sure about that, but let's see. So the wheel's off. Let's see about this now. Okay, here we go. What do we got here? Oh, okay. See, I don't know if we need to zoom in on stuff. That seems a little unnecessary and premature to me. Okay. Okay, that was part of my problem, I believe. Engine re-mini. Bearing cover A. So, do I have to take apart the motor first? Whoa, this is a sensitive little thing here. Here we go. Bearing and... let's see. Bearing cover A. Alright, so we have it fully disassembled now. And everything else here looks good. Let's just go ahead and double check. We'll do some scans on all of this stuff here. That looks like it could go bad soon enough, but it's okay for now. Okay, so let's see. We've done that so far. Next up would be to go over to the 3D printer. And let's see if we can get the replacement parts that we need. So, oh gosh. There's a lot of stuff here. There's a ton of stuff here. How'd that happen? Oh, here we go. Bearing and bearing B. So we need a bearing and bearing B. Okay. And we're good. So now that's gonna take no time at all. Okay, that's a lot faster than my 3D printers here. I print a part here in in real life, and it takes like 6 hours. Not that we would have to do. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. It's got a little loading thing to let you know. That's nice. I like this. I like this a lot. It'd be cool if you could actually see it printing, but you know, kind of like in Subnautica, how that works. Okay. Hurry up and wait. There's not much else we can do, right? I mean, we've kind of done everything. Oh, here we go. What do we got here? All right, 2. There's 1. There's 2. Okay, cool. So let's rush back over here. and begin reassembly. So let's go ahead and zoom in on this. Let's see. Okay, so we're going to go into assembly, and we're going to hold to assemble. But is it going to ask me? Okay, bearing cover. That one's a bad one. Where's my good one? Bearing cover. Where's the good one? I don't understand. Because I took it out of the. Let's see. Hang on a sec here. Bearing cover, bearing cover A. Oh, did I print the wrong part? Bearing cover B, bearing cover A. Let me go and get a bearing cover A. If I have enough money. Oh, no. I didn't need that. Oh, dear. Okay. I just needed a bearing cover A. Sheesh. Alright, bearing cover B. Cover plates. Bearing cover A. Here we go. Alright, thankfully that didn't take long. Okay, hate that I accidentally printed an unnecessary part. PCB table, I don't need any PCB stuff. Okay, hold to, click and then hold to assemble. Bearing cover A, here we go. Okay, and bearing. Okay, and that's bearing cover. And might as well put on a fresh one, and the 4 screws. Now, if they made this in VR, I kind of want all the parts like strewn across the table where you have to reach over and pick up each part and put it in place. I think that would be cool. Because right now, this is... Okay, there we go. And... Cool. And then like that. And here we go. I mean, this game screams VR. If it was something where if someone could make a game like this in VR, that would be pretty ballistic in my opinion. Okay, so far so good. Wheel plug. Let's screw in these 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay, cool. Technically that should be it. Oh, no, wait. I was going to do that without, trying. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. We got to configure this. It needs 5 volts. So let's see if I got this figured out now. So here's this. We're going to do that. Okay. And well, I think that this is fair to say. Let's put that one there. I think that would make sense. Let's try this one. And oops. That. No, stop. Okay, next one over. Alright, I feel like this is supposed to be this one. Okay. How many of you guys are so annoyed at me right now for not clicking the right buttons? Like that. Excuse me, hiccup. And then a burp. Okay, let's click here. And rotate. Another one. Sorry, guys. I just had dinner. Oh, you see? No, I keep forgetting to click the next box before I... There we go. And boosh. There we go. And this one. There. And boop and boop. Okay. So now I need to figure out my voltages. So let's put everything on low voltage for the moment. And low... Where are we at? 4. So I just need 2, 3, 2. That's 3 out of 5. 2. Oh, okay. So that is more powerful. Okay, so instead this one needs to be 1. Oh, here. There we go. ESC to continue. Okay, good. And this guy is ready to go, so let's go ahead and hit here and complete order. And we will accept. There we go. That's it right there. All right, my friends, that's going to do it. Let's see what the next machine is. Spirit. Now it's time for a bigger toy, as you've already got to know the Rocker Boogie mobility system. You should be the right person to tackle this problem. This time, we're giving you Spirit, which is much more complex rover than Sojourner. However, the suspension is the same by and large, so you shouldn't find it difficult. The rover was priorly examined, and it looks like its rear engine in a wheel actuator needs to be fixed, though I can't remember which one it was. Fun. Well, if you enjoyed this and you want to see me try and fix that one, then make sure you go ahead and hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell icon so you get notifications when we release new videos every single week. And not only every single week, but as often as humanly possible during the week. In saying that, please do me one more favor. If you want to support the channel, support me, you can go buy some obviously merch, which I'm not wearing right now, or, of course, you can hit the join button and join our channel and become a channel historian. I would greatly appreciate it. It means a lot, especially if you become a legacy member and we shout you out on every single video. So, ta-da, you're the man. Thank you so much for being our legacy historian here on the channel. All right, keep it crispy, my friends. First Tim 412. We'll see you next time right here on Legacy Studio. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Bye.